Excellencies, Ministers, Under-Secretary General of the United Nations, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor and privilege to participate in this important summit convened at a time when global security challenges are becoming increasingly complex. Terrorism, transnational organized crimes, cybercrime, mis- and disinformation, illicit financial flows, and climate-related insecurity transcend borders and require stronger international cooperation. In this context, the role of the United Nations in protecting civilians, promoting the rule of law, and sustaining peace remains more important than ever. Nepal remains a steadfast and proud contributor to United Nations peace operations. Nepal has deployed 17,852 police personnel to UN missions worldwide, reflecting our enduring commitment to international peace and security. We remain committed to the highest standards of professionalism, integrity, and conduct. The protection of civilians, especially women and children, remains central to our peacekeeping efforts, and we continue to strengthen accountability at all levels. Nepal supports the enhanced utilization of specialized police capabilities, including home police units and IPOs. We also value stronger partnership in capacity building, knowledge and enhanced knowledge exchange, and operational effectiveness. Excellencies, as peace operations evolve, United Nations police must remain adaptable, professional, people-centered, technologically capable, and prepared to address emerging security challenges. The future of UN policing lies not only in responding to crises, but also in preventing conflict, strengthening the rule of law, protecting civilians, and supporting resilient national authorities. UN police must continue to uphold human rights, community-oriented policing, inclusive leadership, and meaningful partnership to advance sustainable peace and security. In closing, Excellencies, today's challenge demands stronger multilateralism, innovation, and collective action. Guided by professionalism and partnership, we must continue working together to advance peace, security, and the rule of law for all. Nepal remains ready to contribute its parts. Thank you. Jai Nepal.